Yo, morning guys. All right, I'm in a little town called Orange, Texas, and came across this prefab park as I was passing by. So made a little stop, figured I'd do a warm-up session here, and it's pretty cool, you know, nothing crazy. It's got a little spine, which I'm not warmed up enough to try to hit yet. Your run-in-the-mill prefab park. That quarter pipe is actually pretty nice. You don't usually see them that size there. A couple rails, benches, but this quarter right here is calling my name. And the first thing that comes to mind is a trick that I've seen this guy, the Rons, do. My friend I grew up skating with, been skating with him for many years, and I'd see him do this trick and variations of it where he gets into rock and he quickly kind of moves on his heels and puts it into almost like a Smith or a Willie, and he just could do it any way he stalls, he could somehow get into it and do it so smooth, right? And it's one of those tricks where like you see someone do it and you're like, oh, that looks fun and easy, and then you try it, you're like, what's going on? I've messed around with them a little bit and I've never really gotten them like clean. So I think I'm gonna try to, I actually don't even know what the name of that is technically, but I'm gonna mess around with that and variations of that and just try to get good at them, because I don't know, with all the tricks I'm able to do on mini ramp, I feel like if I can, you know, get those consistently, I could throw it in the middle of combos. But also, you know, if I'm just doing a rock fakie in between, that'll like make the run a little more interesting, you know. So overall, I just think it's a cool looking trick and one I'd like to have. So yeah, I'm gonna mess around with it now. Yeah, I really have no grasp on how this is supposed to look. I'm like, I don't know if I'm supposed to press on the tail, kind of manual it in. Probably not, but that feels comfortable and gets me ready for the next trick. But yeah, I don't know if like I need to do it quicker or hold it longer. It just doesn't, it feels so weird. Oh, missed. I mean, I think I'm doing it. It just feels like I don't know, looks so weird. All right, that last one felt a little bit better. Let me try to get some variations. First one, gonna be feeble to rock to Willie to fakie. I really need to learn the name of this trick. Oh my God. All right, well, I was doing them pretty consistently, but now that I'm trying the feeble before, it's pretty intimidating. I don't know, I can't get into it. See, these ones I'm getting close to, they're not lock-ins. Those are hang-ups, and I should be getting pitched to the flat. So I don't know what it is. It's like being up there for that extra amount of time is making it harder to get into that position. Oh, okay. Wow, almost ate it. Oh yeah, all right. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I think I'm done with that trick. Okay, I think I'm gonna spare you guys a lot of those attempts because that took a while and I didn't even get it. Took two pretty good slams, so I think I'm gonna move on from that one. I don't know if, I'm sure a smaller quarter pipe would help, because I think what is making it hard for me is by the time I do the feeble into the rock, my weight is already wanting to come back in. And I think it's something you do like on your way up or the second you get in the board stall. So I think that's what's throwing off the rhythm. And on a less steep ramp, it's probably you know, or lower ramps, probably easier to get that motion, but yeah, those are some pretty good slams. So I think we'll downgrade it to a half cab rock into, what's it, a wheelie stall or whatever you call it. Let's try to get that one. Yeah. I think I cheated on that one. Yeah. Ah. Oh my God. Oh, getting wrecked. I came in here thinking, oh, this will be an easy morning. Yeah. You know what? The more I think about it, I think the first one was good. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting to get tossed around this morning, but yeah. That trick, I mean, it looks so easy, right? It's just, for some reason, I don't have the right technique or the way my body moves, or maybe the size of the quarter pipe too. Oh, it's probably just a cop out. I think I'm just not doing it right, but I will get it. I mean, I made a little bit of progress, so that's good. But yeah, I think I'm done at this park. Heading towards Houston, I think there's one more park on the way, so let's pop in there and check that one out. All right, second skate park of the day. We just got to Beautiful Mountain Skate Park in Beaumont, Texas. And yeah, I mean, some of the stuff here looks pretty burly. I don't think I'm gonna be hitting that hubber or that rail, but that quarter pipe looks interesting. And this, especially, a quarter, banked wall. Some fun looking stuff here. I think I'd have a little more fun if my knee was fully operative, but yeah, there's a decent amount of interesting obstacles here, so let's mess around. If this grinds, this thing looks like it'll be fun. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I'm gonna get hurt. Try to get one in the fakie. Thought I was going down on that one. So a couple of years ago, my friend John, who made the Skate Across America documentary, we made a skate video called While I'm Here. That was the last street part I filmed. And right at the end, I think it was like the last week or something, it was one of the last trips we went on. And we're in New York City. Manual pad, just like this one, except it was square, but like about the same size. And I was trying fakie shove it, fakie manual. And I tried forever. I was just soaking wet, just like everything I had in me. I was trying to get this trick. Ended up leaving without it, and like I really thought it would like be a nice touch into the part, so I really wanted to get it. I tried as hard as I could, but just didn't have time. Video came out, and that was it. And yeah, right now when I'm looking at this thing, it's just like coming back to me. So I'm gonna try to get one. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't done a manual trick in a while, so let's see where we're at. Oh, all right, pretty close. I'll take that for a first try. All right. There's a crack right before. Ow, ow. Come on. Oh, not my day today. No! How? How do you mess that up? Oh. All right, I just had to take a call for a half hour, so now I'm completely cold, not warmed up at all, but I really want to get this trick, so I'm jumping back into it and give it another shot. Yep. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm all right, thanks. Ow. Thanks. I can't. Ow, ow. Yep, I think I'm done. Oh, yeah. All right, that trick absolutely wrecked me. Probably tried for, I don't know, close to 2 hours nonstop. Maybe an hour and a half, I don't know exactly. There was a little break in there, but yeah, I really battled and I wanted to stop a bunch of times because I had some pretty bad slams, but happy I powered through and made it happen. Yeah, it just felt really rewarding to get that because, you know, it just felt just like that one spot where I couldn't get it at. It felt like just the same battle. It was so funny how similar the spot was. Like there was a crack, same distance beforehand, slightly downhill, like same height. It just all felt the same. Now that I'm thinking about it though, I think I was trying a fakey front shove out, but I'm good. I'm happy with what I got. Had to work for that one. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.